These are the roosters. That is our bathroom window. That thing acts like an amplifier in the morning. Nice, well enjoy the blue sky.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gray again, but...
Yeah. I will try.
My wife.
Meet you morning. Okay.
Alright, well, enjoy. Alright,
yeah.
see you later. So Nizzy got stung by a jellyfish on the first day or second day? First day. And it just keeps getting worse, even though I tell her it looks better. Like a mosquito bite, it gets worse like right away and then it just starts to die down. With jellyfish stings, they puff, they change color. She's on meds now. Nizzy got some wicked tan lines on the first or second day here. So now she's trying to get rid of them, and here's how. She asked me to put tanning lotion only on the dark parts so that this middle section can burn today and it'll all even out.
Oh, you don't have that one.
Let's be ready.
Towel exchange success. When in doubt, just head to the beach bar. Gonna do a little tanning. Past few days, I thought we were gonna go back to Korea tanless, which no one would understand. Cool. I'll be back. Deeper and deeper that thing gets. Day 3, day 4. On my way back to the room, I made the totally rookie mistake, the amateur mistake of coming out in something other than a bathing suit. The goal for today is to get down past 20 meters. The goal for yesterday was to find the free fall point, the point at which I start free falling, and I did it, figured it out, but I only went down like 3 or 4 times before I got sick. So today, I'm gonna take ocean sickness meds, just a pill or a drink. Izzy brought something for me. The goal is to do a couple of warm-up dives, a couple of practice dives, and then slowly inch past 20 meters. I'm mixing units here, inching past 20 meters. I would be happy with 22. That might be overshooting it because I've only been down to 20 once, but I'd be excited for 22. I think we have 4 or 5 days left, so 2 meters at a time. Last day before we go, maybe 30. 22 meters today. This weather. Oh, it's a blue day again. Your hat. So I visualize myself following the rope when I do the breath training, and it really helps. As a beginner, I found it helps. But there's nothing I can do for the motion sickness. I can't like visualize myself overcoming the rolling waves at all, unfortunately. I'm just gonna hope that the medicine works out today. It's worked before, as long as it's not that bad out there. And until then, I'll just occupy myself with tanning. Tanning is boring. I'm gonna go out snorkeling. We have a couple hours left until we head out. Little Instagram time before we go diving. Got about 15 minutes before we head back to our place. I take my motion sickness stuff, so we're gonna see if we can get a good spot for Instagram right now. Oh, hello. Hey. Wow, this is really nice. This is it. It's time for the motion sickness medicine. Hope it works. So we just got a message from our teacher. She said that it's similar or worse than yesterday. She asked us if we still want to go out. I've already taken the medicine, so here we go. So in the excitement, we forgot our diving computers. The point of the diving computer is to let you know how deep you are and how long you've been down there. Now for free divers, it's a little bit different than scuba divers. Scuba divers need to know how long they need to rest at certain spots so they can safely come up. For free divers, we just go down, we come right back up. So it's really just to know how far we've been down. It's also good for things like measuring your free falling point. So yesterday, I found out mine is exactly 10.0 meters. So as we are students, we need to track our progress. In the commotion of getting ready, we totally forgot them. Got them. On my way back. Well, it looks calm out there, but it's hard to tell until you actually get out. So while we're waiting, we got a suggestion from a nice Australian gentleman and his Canadian wife to pour really hot water on Nizzy's jellyfish sting. They said it helps even after a few days, so she's trying it now. Well, I didn't get motion sickness, and I made it past 22 meters. In fact, I got to 23.4, which is pretty awesome, except they're still out there, and I had to come in early again, and here's why. Now I'm coughing up blood. What happened was, I was at 20 meters or 21 meters, and my equalizing didn't work. That when you do this and your ears pop, so you have to do that continuously. Otherwise the pressure builds and you can pop an eardrum. So my equalizing was going well until about 2021, and suddenly it stopped because of that pressure. The feeling changes, and I'm just not used to that feeling. I was upside down at this point, so I actually turned myself around so I sort of head towards the surface, holding onto the rope, and I waited until I sort of found the feeling of equalizing, and I found it, and then I thought, well, let's do this, because my goal is 22. So I went down, equalizing was still working. I went down a little bit more. It sort of stopped, so I gave it another moment. It came back, equalized again, and I did this a couple more times until I just absolutely couldn't. And then I went back to the surface, and I got there and I saw that I had done 23.4, so I was pretty excited about that. And then I started coughing. And as soon as I started coughing, my teacher asked me, go ahead and spit out. And I spat into my hand because I knew what she was looking for. And she goes, okay, well, there's no blood, so that's good. And then I kept coughing, and she went to deal with Nizzy and her dive, and I kept coughing, and then there was like, there wasn't just like a speck of blood, it was a bloody gob. So I feel great today. I had no motion sickness. It was a combination of there being no waves at all, and that Japanese motion sickness medicine I took. Gosh, so I felt great, but now I have to come in because them's the rules. If you spit up blood, you got to come in. So what she thinks happened, what my teacher thinks happened, is it's either lung squeeze, a thing called lung squeeze that causes you to bleed, or it could be from my throat because I was forcing that equalization. So success, except they're out there still, and I'm in here early again. How many meters? 23.3? You're not coughing blood like me?
No.
재밌다 봐요. Was
I
it?
didn't even think it was 23.3.
Really?
Yeah.
Back to the room to clean up after a successful day. It wasn't really a day though, it was more like 30 minutes for me. Gonna get ready, then go eat. And somehow, something always happens and I end up leaving early. 잘 됐어요? Diving? I thought they were gambling because they had cards out. I'm pretty sure he's giving a tarot reading using regular cards. It has the tone of a tarot reading. We're on our way out to go have dinner. He's moved on to the real tarot cards, so we were right. She is into it. Hey buddy. 미안 늦었어. Just had a light meal with Nizzy, one of our diving friends. 3 of us went out diving together today. Now we're on our way to meet everyone else, and we're gonna go into the city apparently, and hey, and eat again. I can still sort of taste blood, so I hope I'm okay. All right, we're here. Hey. Thank you. Nice. Bye. They said let's go to the ocean. I thought they went back to where our place is. So this is cool. They have a Christmas tree. It was an eventful day. Oh, no one got hurt yet. I still taste blood. And that's it. See you tomorrow.